What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to show you how to pull the door panel, the front door panel on a 2022 and newer WRX. It's really easy. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pop off the little black plastic cover back here to expose one Phillips screw. And then down inside the door pocket, there's another one. Those are the only two screws holding the door panel on. But before you start pulling the door panel from the plastic clips, you want to make sure you grab this trim piece right here and pop this out, because that's holding it in place. After that, you're good to go. Just pull off the plastic clips around the door. To pop those loose, I usually start up here at this corner and just pry with my hand back behind there and work your way around. There's a couple clips along here. And then once you have it so the whole door panel is loose and moving, then you can go ahead and lift up on it to pull it up. Usually I like to start from this corner and work your way this way. Once you've got the door panel loose, if you're trying to get in here to do any kind of work, the first thing you're going to want to do is unhook these two wires. And they're real simple to unhook. You can just pinch them and pull them out. This is what it looks like with the door panel pulled off. I didn't unhook these two because all I needed to do was just set the door panel out of the way enough to pull this sound dampening up. If you're wondering why I'm even doing this, all I'm doing is adding a little bit more sound deadening inside the door. There's actually, I did the other side already, and there's a fair amount already in the door higher up, but down here behind this, there's not any deadening against the outside shell of the door, so I'm just adding some there. If you're trying to add sound deadening too for any reason, this plastic panel is behind this. I just have it taped up out of the way. But you pull this plastic panel off. If you have a trim removal tool, that makes life easier. And then this is the inside of the door that I was talking about. There's nothing against this. But up higher, can't really see it because I didn't peel that back far enough. There is some sound deadening from the factory already. I'm just using some Amazon basics. It actually has really good reviews on Amazon, so just slapping some of this in there. It can only help. There it is. A little extra sound deadening to prevent the road noise. Now I'm just gonna put everything back together the same way I took it apart.